So if your marketing chief of staff is driving to work on Monday, has a heart attack on the way there, and gets into a car accident and dies. Let's say that Jim, our marketing party, has left everything in his name only for some odd reason. And on the deed for his community home with him and his wife, they did not put right to survivorship or joint tenancy on there. When families face circumstances like that, not only are you dealing with the loss of your loved one, but now you're in complete chaos. You have no right to sell your home. You may not have access to bank accounts and to 401ks or Jim's E-Trade account, depending on if he's set these things up. Nearly 70% of all US-based families do not have an estate plan. So what that means is Jim thinks that he's going to live forever. And because Jim thinks he's going to live forever, now he's put his wife and his children in a position to possibly face foreclosure, to be unable to care for themselves, to access the funds that he would want them to be able to access. But he didn't take the time to make them beneficiaries. He didn't take the time to fund his real property to a trust and make him and his wife the acting trustees, so that when he was no longer able to act on his behalf, be it through incapacity or through death, his wife didn't have to worry about what happens next. Everything should have been streamlined for her, but it's not. So now she's got to approach the probate courts, which is very time consuming. It costs a lot of money. It's extremely stressful, especially when you're already trying to deal with the loss of your partner. So the reality is, almost 70% of your employees have this problem right now. And if you care deeply for your employees, you will make sure that they get educated on why this is a problem and how to avoid this problem for their families. By you bringing this benefit into your employees and offering this educational session, you could be changing and affecting the lives of thousands of people just by one simple 30-minute seminar.